If you're watching this video right now, I can probably guess that you're looking for a list of websites that will pay you up $10 to $20 every single day by performing tax, right? Well, you've come to the right video. In this video, I'm going to share with you this website that accepts anyone from any part of the world to actually start performing tax and being paid on it. So this tax could be answering questions like surveys or helping downloading apps or even playing games to actually get paid. So, but before I get started with this video, hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Perez Tech. And on this channel, one thing I focus on is how you and I can make money online. That's simply what I focus on, not how you can make, not how I can make, but how both of us can actually make money together on this internet. And those are the things I share here with you. So if this sounds like you, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel at the very end. So that already said, let's get on my laptop. Let me share with you this website that are actually willing to pay you to perform menial tasks. But before I get started, here's what I want to let you know. None of these websites will make you a millionaire overnight. So when I'm sharing websites where you can make money online, I clearly stated that none of them will make you a millionaire overnight. So if you are looking for hustle ideas that are really going to pay you, like pay you to an extent where you can stop your 9 to 5 job, then you can watch my videos that I'll be recommending at the top there, or check this video comment description to see other well videos that will actually give you a lifetime business idea, just as I have a lifetime business right now, which is content creation and crypto trading. You can also get started with those business ideas because I share business ideas in my other videos that you can actually get started with. So with that already said, let's get straight on my laptop. Let me share with you these 5 hustle ideas. Now let's get started.
Before we actually begin with this video, here's one thing I want to let you know. This website I'm about to share with you might not make you any huge amount of money. However, they might give you around $10 to $100 per day or per week, depending on the tax you take and how many hours you spend on there. So if you are looking for ways to actually make some good amount of money, some decent amount of money, here is a video I advise you to watch. This video here and this other one here. These are 2 videos that I would advise you should consider watching. The first one here, which says 5 best ways to make money online on your smartphone, and the other one which says escape 9 to 5 job. So these are the videos I would advise you to watch if you are looking to start a business that will actually give you some decent amount of money over time. But if you are just looking for something to earn on the side, then this video is for you. So I believe you've already known everything this video is about. So with that already said, let me go straight and share with you this 5 websites where you can take some minor tax and earn some bucks at the side whilst doing your normal day-to-day job. So let's get in. So the first website on my list here is actually what we call Free Cash. So this website called Free Cash actually pays you to do some minor things on the internet. However, it pays a very pretty much good amount, because you can see over here that here it says you have to download TikTok and then sign up and earn $2. So that's aside. So this website in Free Cash actually pays you to play video games. So if you are someone who's interested in playing video games, then this one great website you should get on, because you get paid to play games, you get paid just to download applications, like just download the application, sign up, and then you get paid for it. And it also pays you to take surveys. So online surveys are some cool ways of actually making cash, and this is what this website actually does. However, there are some apps like shopping apps that this app will advise you to download, then make a purchase before you get paid for it. Please, I would advise you, do not make any purchase. Go for apps, go for tax whereby you don't have to pay any dime to actually get paid. So that's my big advice for you. And when it comes to this website payment method, they pay through PayPal, cryptocurrency, and various ways to actually withdraw money from this platform. So you can never run out of ways of withdraw, and you can withdraw even less than $1 from this platform. And you can see that over here saying Netflix trial, start a trial on Netflix, a trial mode on Netflix, and earn $5. So these are the pretty much easy things that this website necessarily do, and you don't have to spend hours on this website to actually make money, because most of the tasks are very easy to do, and once you complete them you get paid instantly, and you can withdraw them to your various payment method. You can see they have Bitcoin, PayPal, Visa, like any way you feel like withdrawing your funds, you can easily withdraw them to your bank account, and it's really that easy. So hope you find the first one interesting, and you can see that you can play games. So when you play games, you can earn around $0.5 to $120 per game. You can see it here in per app, and the complete offers, and offers pays you mainly from $1 to $75, and also service pay you a minimum of $1. So this to tell you that this website is really paying you, and this works globally. So this is the truth I have to tell you. This website works globally. That's why it gives various ways to actually make your withdrawal. So hope you find the first one interesting. So now let's move to the other 4 on my list. So the second website on my list is actually called prolific.co. So prolific.co also pays you to take out a little bit of survey, like give it survey on what researchers has actually done in various organizations. So you can see over here that they say there are some tags that are here. Say listen to the sound, what shape do you imagine? So this one they necessarily play a sound, and you will be able to give some information about it. There are some easy to say. Here you can see that this $8 per hour, $10 per hour, and $9 per hour. These are simple tags that are here that I can get started with. And this one, like it works globally. This is not the first time I'm reviewing this website, and it works globally. So from here you can see their own information that they placed there, that any money researchers pay a minimum of £6 to £6 or $8 an hour, but may pay more. Enjoy bonuses and instant cash outs too. Answer anonymously. Contribute meaningful to science. Confident that your identity is always protected. Completely flexible hours. Join in whenever you like from the comfort of your home. There is no penalty if you are busy. So this is simply how it works. Like you can make money from this website with this easy thing, because you simply have to just give little bit insight on whatever thing that you've been asked, and then you get paid for it. And from their own statement that you get paid a minimum of £6 or $8 per single hour. And here you can see what other participants who have been using this platform are currently saying. So you can come over here and say, how will I get paid? We pay into your PayPal account and have 2 set cash out days every Tuesday and Friday afternoon. Once you've made 4 cash outs to the same PayPal account, you will automatically be moved to instant cash out. So this is simply how it works. So once you receive a payment to one PayPal account up to 4 times, then your payment will be automated, so that whenever you just reach the minimum pay, they will just automatically send you your money to your PayPal account that will be withdrawing on instant basis. So this is simply how this platform works, and I think this is one of the platforms that you can actually make money with. And from here you can see which countries does Prolific accept participants from. Prolific is available to participate in OECD countries except Turkey, Lithuania, Colombia, Costa Rica, and South Africa. So if you're in South Africa, I'm sorry, you cannot use this platform, but if you're in other parts, I think you can use it also. So I always advise that after I review the website, you come over here yourself and come and check over whatever information they have here, so that you don't join the wrong website. That's why in the intro I stated clearly that not all of them might work globally, but some do work globally also. So if this one doesn't work in your country, there's no need to worry about that. There are other great ones that will also work in your country. So the third website on my list is actually called Survey Time. So Survey Time pays you instant reward with $1 for every single survey you complete. So every single survey you complete on their website, you get paid $1. And one thing I love about Survey Time is that they do not have a minimum withdrawal threshold. So with Survey Time, once you make your little buck, you can just withdraw it instantly. And that's one great thing I actually love about them, because there's no need in after completing a task, then they tell you to complete a series of tasks before you get paid. No, but over here you do not have any minimum withdrawal threshold. Once you finish your survey, then you get paid. So here they say how does it work on Survey Time. You sign up for Survey Time, which is 100% free, fill out some personal information, then start earning for service. So for each survey you complete, you get instant cash out for your $1 USD reward. So every single task you complete here, you get paid $1 for it. And you can come over here, they say no withdrawal threshold. Service for you. Survey Time offers you the most relevant service. We match our service to your interests based on your answer in our introduction survey. The increase of chances of completing more service and any cash from service. Never miss a new survey. $1 reward. So on Survey Time, all surveys were born equal, whether the survey took you 5 minutes or 15 minutes, whether you are in the Philippines or in the US. If you complete a survey, you will get the reward with $1. And this one great thing I actually love about them. They don't care about where you are from, you get paid for it. They say choose your reward. Do you prefer PayPal, Amazon, or maybe Target? With Survey Time, you can earn gift card for your favorite brands. Not all gift card options are available outside the United States, so you need to know this as well. So if you're in Africa, some of the best ways in which you can retrieve your money here is through either PayPal or Amazon. And for me personally, so the fourth website on my list here happens to be one of my favorite websites, which is called TaxRabbit. So TaxRabbit merely pays you to complete menial tasks. Like this one is like being sent on an errand or helping someone get something menial done and then being paid for it. And one thing I love about TaxRabbit is that before you get started, they show you how much you're actually going to make, the location you are, and then based on the type of skills, the type of work you think you can offer to the particular client. So once you come over to TaxRabbit, all you simply have to do is come over to where it says become a taxer. So simply click on it. Now I'm going to show you how you can know how much you are going to be paid per each service you offer on this website. So once you come over, you can see earn money your way. See how much you can make taxing on TaxRabbit. So over here, this is select your area. So here you can just type in where you are, and then let me just say so not every country will be accepted, so make sure you know that. So assuming you are in Atlanta, they come over here, help choose a category, help moving. This one is simply help, like moving something from one place to another just by running mini errand, and you'll be paid around $49 per hour. So mainly it seems to be working mainly in the United States, and from what I see here, so if you're in Portland, so I think it's not just the United States, it carries a lot of locations you can see over here. But all together, so as I already said, not all of them might work globally, but if you get ones that work in your area and it earns good, that's pretty much okay. You can see you can earn $42 to move by helping people move things from one place to another. If you are in Portland, $42 per hour. So you can see flooring and tiling help. So there are simple tasks you can do here to actually make some money from this website, and you can see heavy lifting and loading. And trust me, there are various offers that you can just render on this website and get paid. So from my view, this website mainly works if you are in the United States or the United Kingdom. It might not work well in Africa over here. So you can see every single thing you need here. Sign up, build your profile, verify your eligibility to tax, pay registration fee. So in application clients, we charge you $25 registration fee that helps us to provide the best service to you. So you need to pay the registration fee of $25, and I think this is really okay because this website, a simple task can just give you back this money within an hour time. So paying this $25 to register is nothing big. So most people will review this website, so you will not tell you that you're actually going to pay a $25 registration fee, but I will tell you that you're going to pay registration fee. And this is one thing I love about this website. So any website that demands you to do this sort of thing, that's to tell you how legit they are and how big they are. So you can come over here, what is required to become a taxer. So you can simply come and read out this information here and get more information about them. So hope you find it very interesting. And now let's move to the final one on my list, which is actually, let's get into it. So if you watch, so the final website on my list is actually what we call PaidWork. So as the name said, you get paid to actually perform tax. So with PaidWork, they make money online on a phone, computer, or tablet, get paid wherever you are without investment. So that's simply how it works over here. Like you can start making money without even paying a dime, and it works globally. This is the important thing I love about it. And with PaidWork, it don't just work on the web, also you can easily download their mobile application, which is available for both iOS and then Android devices. So you can just download it and start using it. So now let's check how it actually works for those of you who don't know how it works. So PaidWorks, you can go on Play Store right now, just search for the word PaidWork, and I'm going to see their mobile application. I'll be displaying the screenshot on your screen right now, so you get the right one when you get there. So how it works is really simple. Everything under control. You can choose how you want to earn money by playing games, completing service, watching videos, shopping online, and creating accounts. This is really simple. You see, there are these are the major ways in which you make money from this platform. Once you are someone who's interested in video games, then you can be playing games and be paid. You can complete many service and get paid, or simply watching videos or shopping online. If you are someone who shops regularly, this will help you. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. With that already said, have a nice day. Bye.